Welcome back. We're taking a closer look now at the testimony of Amber Heard. Could the defendant in this case face perjury charges? Well, Law and Crime Network's Sierra Gillespie explains what constitutes perjury in Virginia and what it would take for Heard to be convicted.
Your signature appears right under the statement, quote, "I declare, under penalty of perjury, under the laws of the state of Virginia, that the foregoing is true and correct."
That is correct.
Experts say some of Amber Heard's recent testimony could prove problematic.
I think there's a level of falsity that is happening to the point that several witnesses might have also committed perjury by going and testifying on the stand under oath, under penalty of perjury, and providing a completely different fact than another witness.
But the ongoing defamation suit isn't Heard's first bout with perjury. After illegally bringing her and Depp's dogs into Australia in 2015, Heard was investigated for the crime.
I am truly sorry that Pistol and Boo were not declared. Protecting Australia is important.
Australian officials say that investigation is still ongoing. Closer to home, Depp's attorney Adam Waldman says Los Angeles officials opened an investigation into Heard's perjurous claims.
I filed a claim with the LAPD regarding these perjurious statements that Ms. Heard and her best friend Rocky Pennington had made.
Simply put, perjury is lying under oath. But trial attorney Katherine Lizardo says it's a lot more complicated.
Perjury in Virginia is a class 5 felony. What that means is it's punishable by 1 to 10 years in prison. But since it's a class 5, it can also be downgraded into a misdemeanor.
Legal analyst Dina Dahl says Heard wouldn't be charged right away.
Let's say she loses and basically the jury is deciding that she is kind of lying about a lot of this. They're not deciding it beyond a reasonable doubt. It's only this preponderance of evidence. So she's not kind of automatically convicted of perjury.
Dahl explains it would take a separate trial to convict Heard.
What would happen is a prosecutor would have to bring a separate charge of perjury against her. And they could use this evidence, of course, at trial.
And just how likely is it that Heard would face perjury charges?
At the beginning of this trial, when I was asked that, I said, there's no way anyone will be prosecuted for perjury. But as I listen to this more and more and more, as a lawyer, I am ethically appalled by any perjurious statements or even coercing a witness to commit perjury on the stand. And to some extent, I'm wondering if there will be a message sent after this trial that you cannot make these types of statements in court and not have ramification.
Reporting for Law and Crime Network, I'm Sierra Gillespie.